Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to rename projects in Claude AI. So right now I'm on the new chat screen as you can see, and I already have a few projects within my Claude account. So let's say I want to rename one of these projects, let's say the test project. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the projects tab, which you can find here at the left side of your screen. If you're having trouble seeing it, click on the top left button to open the sidebar and to go ahead and click on the projects icon. So here you're going to see your projects. If you haven't made one already, there's the new project button at the top right. And if you want to quickly rename one of your projects, simply mouse over it and you're going to see this context menu at the top right of the project you're looking at. And go ahead and click that, and there should be an option that says edit details. So here you're going to be able to edit the name and description. So let's say instead of test, I want to name this projects. Then here you're going to be able to add a description, a dedicated project for research across various topics. Looks good to me. So once it's done, you can go ahead and click on save. And as you can see, it's been successfully renamed. It says right here, updated just now. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.